Can I keep you in mind? Can I?
Hey guys, it's your girl Eb. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I decided to I'm looking at myself in the mirror. It's glitter everywhere in here, y'all. But I decided to do a very last minute Halloween makeup look. I'm not going anywhere from Halloween. I don't do anything for Halloween, but for any of you guys who are planning on going out and need some type of inspiration, I hope this helps you. I hope you find it easy to do and enjoyable. Some of the steps you can skip in this tutorial, but I think it came out super cute, and especially for my first time. I'm looking at the monitor, so you get the little bit of glam and a little bit of, like, you know, scary, gory, and that's how I would call this glam too, because it's glitter. Like, I feel like my insides are like shining like this. But I think this came out really nice. It was really simple. Everything I used I had in my house. I did not go out and buy anything special for this look, so you don't have to either. But I think it came out really nice, and I'm looking at it on the monitor. And if you're going to a little Halloween party and you want to, you know, not go extra and you want to just do something cute, you could throw on a cute little one piece like cat suit or something. Or, I don't know, whatever you want to wear. But I think this is cute. You can definitely switch up the color glitter. I used red because it is Halloween and blood and gory. So, yeah, if you guys like how this came out and you want to see how I did it, then stay tuned. But before you do so, if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So
Alright guys, so let's jump into the tutorial.
And to all of my old subs,
as you can see, I just got this zipper, and I didn't want to go out and get one from the store, so I just took like an old clutch or wristlet that I had, and I just cut the zipper out. And basically we're just gonna attach that to the face with some duo glue. I've never did this look before. This was my first time, so bear with me. Okay, so before we put that zipper on, I forgot that I did do my one brow. If you want a brow tutorial, I have one, and I will link it in the cards above. I only do one brow because the other brow is going to be covered, as you've seen from the clip in the beginning. So yeah, we're going to just do this brow, and then we'll get back to the zipper. So I'm just basically using an eyeliner brush, and I'm just applying the glue to my forehead. Now, don't sleep on this duo glue because it held this zipper in place so snug that afterwards, like, my face felt so tight. So don't be afraid, because it won't fall off. The zipper won't fall off. The glue is very secure. clean up my brows, like just the bottom. I'm not gonna clean the top up. Alright, this foundation is the Black Opal True Color, and I'm in the color Nutmeg. I haven't used this foundation in a long time, except for the last video I just did, which is my 5-minute makeup challenge. I will link that above if you haven't seen it. But I forgot how good this foundation was, so I might start reaching for it a little more often. Alright, after my little dance break, and now we're just gonna go in with concealer to highlight. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is Warm Honey. And I'm just gonna go with my basic steps that I would do: conceal, contour, all of that good stuff. So this is just gonna be my basic routine. Gonna do a basic eyeshadow look. All of the shades that I'm using are from ColourPop. I don't remember the names of them off the back of my hand right now, but just a basic eye look, something cute, something that you can just throw together. I think I use about 3 or 4 shades, and like I said, all of them are ColourPop shadows. Every single one that I use is a ColourPop shadow, except for the black shade, which is from the Urban Decay Naked palette. Okay, so off camera, I did put some shadow at the bottom of my lash line. I put eyeliner down there. I did my wing liner and my one lash. I just did all of that off camera to save some time. Now we are going in with a, this is funny. I didn't want to go and buy any liquid latex, so I've been like Googling DIY liquid latex and looking on YouTube, and I found a recipe that consisted of cornstarch, gelatin, coconut oil, and water. I don't follow my recipe. Like, if you want to make your own, find somebody else's recipe, because mine turned out like jello. I mean, I was still able to use it, as you can see, and stick the cotton on it just to give, you know, make like some wounds or like fleshy, you know, fleshy tissue. But don't use my recipe, use somebody else's, because mine's looked like jello. In my little cup, it just looked like a big blob of jello. Don't follow me. Now I'm just taking some more of that latex mixture, whatever you want to call it, that I made, and I'm putting it on top of the cotton to like seal it in and to just get it nice and soft. And here I'm just using my blow dryer to dry it, and I don't know what I was listening to, but I'm just setting it. Now I'm just gonna go in with some shadows. I'm gonna use a brown shadow, a black shadow, and like a burgundy maroon shadow, just to give me like the look of bruising on my face where the zipper is like, you know, zipping my face down. As y'all can see, it's a party. Every time I'm in here by myself, I be getting turned up. But yeah, so now we're just still shading it in, and it's starting to look more and more bruisey if I stop dancing and singing. And I just want to make it nice and dark and give it some depth. Now here comes the fun part, is the glitter. So this glitter, and I tell y'all all the time, the glitter, well, first off, the glitter glue that I'm using is from Hard Candy. It's their glitter glue, and I love that glitter glue. Oh my goodness, that is the best glitter glue I've ever used. But I tell y'all all the time, the glitter that I use, I mean, sometimes I'll buy like eye safe glitter, but for the most part, I buy craft glitter. I'm not advising y'all to go and buy craft glitter and use it and put it near your eye. Use it at your own discretion. Like, don't follow me. But that's what I use. I haven't had any problems with it all of these years. So it's just a basic red, like a ruby red craft glitter I got from like Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree. I get it from Five Below. Wherever I see it, I grab them. And that's what I'm using. And I'm just packing that on like all over. It is so pretty. As you can see, I did not need to put a red base under it. It is super pigmented. Like, you can't even see through it. Like, it's just straight up glitter all through. I love it. Now that we got the glitter down and the wounds and everything is looking good, I'm just taking some fake blood, and I did make this blood myself because I told you I didn't go out to buy no supplies. I just used some clear school glue. Yes, you heard that right. Clear school glue, about 5 or 6 drops of red food coloring, and some Hershey's chocolate syrup. That's it. The chocolate syrup just gives it that dark blood like look to it. You know, that the glue is clear. I mixed that up in a little cup, a little shot glass, and I'm using a regular synthetic brush, and I'm just putting that on there. And it dried up and it stayed nice. Like, it was a little bit tacky because of the chocolate syrup, but it didn't drip and get all over the place. It was a really good blood mixture, I will say that. now we're pretty much at the end. I'm just putting on a red lip liner. This is from the beauty supply store. I think it's a clean color red lip liner. I'm gonna put on some red liquid lipstick. This is from Wet n Wild. Their cat line, or it's called cat something, I can't remember, but that is basically it. Like, that's it. As y'all can see, as usual, I didn't do nothing to my hair. I sprayed my face, and that was it. And this is how the look came out. I think it came out pretty cute. I do like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. So I'll see y'all in my next one.